tingin sa camera, turn your faces to the camera lang if you have your eyes blindfolded or anything. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Hello, thank you very much for watching another DS Games video. We're playing a 5-player game of Avalon. With these people, we have Skido Levino. We have Aphrodite, she's back playing Avalon for the first time. We have Itlog. Yes, that is Itlog. We have Tube Ambassador. And we have Kill Uncle. Okay, so Avalon. Sige, pag-list na lang to. So Avalon, 5-player game. Basic setup muna kasi this is Aphrodite's first game playing Avalon. Basically, 5-player game, dalawang bad guys at good guys. Bad guys, may Minion of Mordred and Assassin. Good guys, may Merlin and dalawang generic 12 Servants of Arthur. We explained the game earlier to Aphrodite. Let's see how well she catches on. Guys, mabilis lang to. Mute your mics, go to sleep. Let's have a quick roll reveal.
Good night, everybody!
Everyone wake up.
Everyone, wake up.
Okay. So very basic lang muna tayo. We randomized their numbers. We're starting off with Skido. Skido, pick 2 people for the quest. Any 2 people. Go ahead.
Oh God.
You can choose your fellow bad guy, so it doesn't.
Kill Uncle. My mind is lagging right now. Actually. Wait. Okay, I need to. Okay. Since Aphrodite is here, why not I choose her?
Okay,
Aphrodite.
sige. So Skido selects Aphrodite. So 5 kayo. 3 votes to cancel. Taas kamay. Who is against this pairing? Going once, going twice, going. No one is against it. Although, Kalanka, your screen kind of froze, but I don't think you were against it. Even if you were raising your hand, it wouldn't be enough. So, Skido and Aphrodite, send me a private message, the letter S for success and F for fail. Remember, if you're a good guy, if you're a loyal servant of Arthur or Merlin, you have to put it success. But if you're a bad guy, you could put if you're the Minion of Mordred or the Assassin, you could put in success or fail. But anyway, send me a private message, success or fail.
It's a good time to fail it.
Nice. Do I read that, Skido? Do I read that?
Later.
Later. Sige. Anyway, I got both votes for the first quest. It was
2 fails.
Successful. Both of them played success.
Am I lagging or the
No, you're good. No, you're good. You're good. No, we're not. No. I got.
Uncle froze. Itlog is not moving.
Well, Uncle did freeze and Itlog doesn't appear to be moving. Pero yeah, we're good. Anyway, now you're now.
Skido.
Oh God, no. That's a.
Okay, so for the benefit of everyone, one of them is the bad guy, so keep that in mind.
Oh, you know what, Sandman? I want you to read what I said. You know what? Because he said.
Instead of just putting success or fail, he actually said, I declare successful because the king of all evil was not selected. Anyway, so 1 point na for the good guys. First to 3 points though. It's Aphrodite's turn. Aphrodite, for this quest, you have to pick 3 people. So you don't have to pick yourself, pero if there are only 3 good guys, and if you're a good guy, then you kinda have to select yourself, but you don't have to. Anyway, pick 3 people for this quest. Nakamit ka, Aphrodite, sorry.
It's frozen.
So, Itlog.
Itlog?
Kill Uncle.
Kill Uncle?
And myself.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
So for the second
one, fail because Skido was not chosen.
Wow.
Therefore,
wow. All right.
Okay.
Now.
Well, let's see. Aphrodite selected herself, Itlog, and Kill Uncle. 3 votes to cancel. Who is against that grouping? Taas kamay. Going once.
So,
going
pag nag-succeed ba, ibig sabihin si Skido yung bad.
Going 3.
Let's see. Because I know that it's going to fail.
One of
it
the 2
pushes through. Aphrodite, Itlog, and Kill Uncle. Send me your vote, success or fail. Again, if you're a good guy, you have to put in success. If you're a bad guy, you can put in success, you can put in fail. I got one vote. I got
good,
2
why
votes.
aren't you against this?
I
They
got...
need to be perfect.
This is definitely going to fail. Because like there's at least one bad guy that was included there.
Yeah, but why weren't you against it? Why did you let it through?
My vote is not enough. It needs a majority.
For your eyes only, but hey.
Oh, wow. Lucky me. Anyway, so I got 3 votes. One of the 3 in a fail.
And it was just why Aphrodite
Itlog, or Kill Uncle put in a fail. So that's 1 point for the good guys. 1-1 na siya. One of those 3 put in a fail.
1 for the good guys?
Well, nag-improv na siya, di ba? So, magaling na siya manloko.
Uh-oh.
Weird. Why would Aphrodite choose new variables?
I don't know why Skiddo was... Well, actually, I know why Skiddo was excluded. Reading between the lines, one of them was during the first quest was bad.
Oh, I don't know about that. I
yes.
know one of you three
the king of
bad.
Okay, let's proceed. Let's see what happens for this next quest. It's Itlog's turn. Itlog, you only need to select 2 people for this 3rd quest. Who are you picking?
Me, myself, and I.
That's 3.
Bawasan niya pa yun. Bawasan niya pa yun.
Left and right na lang.
Naghang si Kilanggal, nantay ko yung sasabihin.
Okay lang. Actually, andyan na si RBG, naghihintay na siya. Next game siya.
Nagsa-side profile posting lang si Kilang.
Kilanggal.
Everyone else is frozen.
Kilanggal, hello.
Yeah. Itlog, who are you selecting for the quest?
Kilanggal, me.
Kay ni Kilanggal?
Yes, tas papipiliin ko si Kilanggal ng isa pa.
I don't know, 2 people lang.
No.
2 people lang?
Oh, sure. Yeah.
Kahit sino masama mo dyan, sure success eh.
Sama mo ko.
Yeah, sinama kita.
Sige. So,
sana kita ng isa pa kasi kala ko 3.
Wala, 2 lang to. So, Itlog selects Kill Uncle for this 3rd quest. 3 votes to cancel, lose against despairing Taskamay. Going once. Going twice. Going 3. Okay. Pushes through. Itlog and Kill Uncle, send me your votes. Success or fail?
Obviously, it's gonna be a success.
I got 1. I'm waiting for Kill Uncle. Kill Uncle, I hope you didn't freeze. Well, yeah, you obviously froze, pero I hope you can hear us. Yeah. Send in your vote, success or fail. You're typing pa pala. Jeez. Wait lang.
Hindi lang siya yung nag-hang.
Oh my God.
Hindi lang yung...
Anyway, I got both votes. It was successful quest. Both of them is success. So 2 points na yung good guys, 1 point yung bad.
I stand by my assertion that Skiddo and or Aphrodite are bad.
But who's the other one?
Loyal servants and
the reason why I'm just asking why Aphrodite would choose 2 new variables on that, and it failed.
I don't know how to play the game.
But Skiddo, why weren't you against it? If you saw,
I'm gonna raise my hand. No one is going to raise my.
I raised my hand.
I didn't see that. It was lagging.
Even if you're only like 20% or you should always still state your vote. It's part of your rights.
Wow. But noob, look at this though.
Sige, insert whatever hashtag you want to put there. Okay, let's proceed. It is Noob Ambassador's turn now. You have to pick the 3 good guys. 2 points to good guys, 1 point in bad. It has to be a perfect selection.
Choose the last batch.
1 fail and the bad guys get a point. Go
Choose
ahead.
Choose the last successful.
But it's hard because everybody will succeed if there's only 2 in a quest.
Yeah, exactly.
Pero yeah,
but if we have information on 2, 3, or 5, there's at least 1 bad person there.
The only thing you have to go on is the track record. First quest, Skiddo and Aphrodite succeeded. Second quest without Skiddo, it failed. Third quest, kill Uncle Nitlog, succeeded. Ergo, if you're good, you'll include us both.
Exactly.
Okay, so we're gonna be basing our votes on the track record from what has been done before.
You have no other basis.
Yes, I agree with that completely.
Unless you're bad, then you're the one who's
And not only on full potential and false promises, guys.
Oh, that's bullshit.
So I will choose myself, Itlog, and Kill Uncle.
All right.
That's gonna fail.
Fourth quest. New Ambassador selects Itlog, New Ambassador, and Kill Uncle. It has to be a perfect selection. Isang fail lang, the bad guys get the point. Let's put it to votes. Kill Uncle, verbal na lang kasi you're frozen. Show of hands or say out loud, who's against this?
This is going to fail, guys. I am telling you.
I'm not raising my hand.
Nice. Go.
I'm telling you.
Okay.
Not raising my hand.
Skiddo was against it.
Wow.
Itlog, New Ambassador, and Kill Uncle, send in your vote. Success or fail. I got 1. I got 2.
That's going to fail.
Naka-ready na yung template ni Kill Uncle dun sa part na. Ang bilis nung nakalagay na kagad siyang comment. Anyway, I got 4 votes. It was
4?
Sorry. For the first quest, I got 3 votes. 1 person put in the fail.
Okay, Kill Uncle. Kill Uncle.
Yes.
I think Aphrodite and Noob are trying to not include together in a quest. I think Aphrodite and Noob are bad. Because Aphrodite tried Itlog and Kill Uncle.
One of you are bad. Aphrodite and Skiddo, one of you.
I was not part of any quest that failed, Kill Uncle. First quest, me and Aphrodite passed. Second quest, Aphrodite, Itlog, and you. There was 1 fail there. Third quest, you and Itlog were in, and it passed. And then New Ambassador tried to exclude Aphrodite from the equation and interjected himself into that.
Because that's
there's one that failed.
To follow the last batch.
Based from what I see, most likely Aphrodite and Noob are the ones who failed those.
Well, FYI, nag-send sa akin ng private message si Kill Uncle in case na nag-hang siya. But Kill Uncle is selecting himself, Itlog, and Skiddo. Same thing, it has to be a perfect selection. Isang fail lang, the bad guys will win. Pero kung lahat to success, the bad guys could win. Pwede pa rin nila ma-steal yung victory. Pero again, Kill Uncle selects himself, Itlog, and Skiddo. 3 votes to cancel. Who's against this grouping? Taas kamay. Going once. Going twice. Going 3 times. Wala. Those 3 people, please send in your votes, success or fail. Itlog, Skiddo, and Kill Uncle. I got 1, I got 2, I got 3. Okay, so 3 votes are in. It was successful. All right, so I can reveal the game is almost over.
Victorious laugh. I
can reveal that Aphrodite and New Ambassador are the bad guys for this game. Aphrodite was the minion of Mordred. New Ambassador, third word improv, were the bad guys for the game. Hashtag third word improv. Pero for the game, New Ambassador specifically is the assassin. You guys can talk about it, kung sino sa tingin yung Merlin, but I'll get the official answer from New Ambassador. If New Ambassador identifies who Merlin is, they win among these 3 guys.
First.
Go ahead.
Are we really the bad guys, or do we just have different perspectives?
Oh my God.
What about respecting our perspectives and opinions?
Wow. Anyway, New Ambassador and Aphrodite, you guys could talk, pero I'll get the official answer from New Ambassador.
Okay, so Aphrodite, who do you think knows that we were the bad guys even early on? I have my 80% hunch on one person.
My hunch is it's Skiddo, actually.
Okay. Ako, my hunch.
Everyone wants to say my hunch.
Kill Uncle too.
My lovely lady hunch.
So usually Merlin tries to hide themselves and not try to be too obvious. So Kill Uncle checks that mark because he tried to, just include us in the last batch, and like wholeheartedly didn't say don't include you, knowing that I might be the bad guy. And Skiddo is trying to play the Merlin part by saying that, the deductions are there. Blah, blah, blah. But it is an obvious choice.
Yeah. Well, go with your gut. I have a feeling it's Kill Uncle or Skiddo, but probably more Kill Uncle.
Yeah, it'll be funny if it really was Itlog and he just let his minions.
He's just not talking.
I'm Merlin, I know it all, but let my minions do the work.
Yes.
Private message when you're ready.
I'm gonna go with what I sent earlier.
Sige. Okay. No, we're moving Kill Uncle. Nag-message sa akin. Anyway, so I got a message from the assassin, new ambassador. He is assassinating because he suspects this guy to be Merlin. He is assassinating Kill Uncle. New ambassador Aphrodite, Kill Uncle is not Merlin. Well, it is actually Itlog. Itlog was
it's a quiet
Merlin.
one.
I know. You guys, it kind of played out for him na Skiddo and Kill Uncle deduced it. But yeah, Itlog knew from the start na, although nagsasabi na siya kanina na parang, di ba nag-i-improve na yan si Aphrodite? Baka so something. And Aphrodite did lie. Sabi, no, I don't know how to play this game, pero she hid her mode sa simula as a good person.
God.
Pero yeah.
Masasama yung na-record na sound clip ko na Itlog is just letting his minions.
Exactly. Exactly, that's what happened. So you called it, but killed the wrong person. So good job, Skiddo, Itlog, and Kill Uncle. The loyal servants of Arthur survive. Kill Uncle, I don't know if you're just flexing. But sige, let me end this game para makasali si Aphrodite.
That's his victory post.
Si RBG. Yeah, actually, I wouldn't be surprised if he actually does that in real life. Anyway, guys, that was that was the stop point. That was Avalon. The good guys won. They won 3 quests and hindi nila nahuli si Merlin. So it was Itlog. So good job, Skiddo. Good job, Kill Uncle. And good job, Merlin. Itlog. Guys, if you like this video, click on the like button and subscribe kung hindi pa kayo subscriber, and the notification button para update kayo every day time we upload these types of games. And if you like to join our games, send us a message. We'll definitely invite you next time. Until then, thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye, guys.